Hi everybody, my name is Aiden here at BMW Monroeville. Today I just want to run through how to change the wiper blades on the BMW X5. Today we're demonstrating this on an X5, but this process is very similar on any BMW. So the first step is we're just going to make sure we have the ignition on, the vehicle does not have to be running, and then from there, you're going to press and hold the windshield wiper button down. And once the wipers are up, exit the vehicle and press the button in the middle of the wiper blade arm and eject the wiper blade. Once the old wiper blade is taken out, take the new wiper blade and put it back into the arm until you hear a click. Once both wiper blades are changed, re-enter the vehicle, press and hold the wiper stock down until the wiper blades return to their down position. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more informative content.